Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do, and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron. Press the button parks.
Day 6.
Day 6.
Where are we going? Down this mysterious foresty road with a semi coming. Yikes. I don't think it's wide enough for both of us.
Well, we'll find out.
Oh, it's just a dump truck. Not that big a deal. In 2 miles, your destination will be on the right. Where are we going, Aaron? He said that he told you.
I did. Okay, this video is going to be an hour long. We're going tubing. It'll be fun.
Tubing behind a boat?
Yep, behind a boat.
What?
That'll be fun.
Not recording yet. So I'm trying to zoom in. And that's really out of focus. Sorry, guys.
Well, then turn it back on. Creeker over there. That's why they're hanging around.
There's the vultures.
Yeah.
We just got done river tubing. It was wonderful.
Sorry, guys.
Bye, vultures.
You'll be back in a second.
Oh,
What
yeah.
is that? Is it an armadillo?
It's an armadillo.
Oh, poor armadillo.
Wait, it's not.
I don't want to see a dead armadillo.
Oh, but I barely.
If you can watch this video of us tubing down the river, that means I haven't dropped the phone down in the river.
But wait, how much is this gonna be on the?
SD card, yeah. Yeah, because we definitely didn't want to.
But then the whole video is gonna be lower quality.
But this is worth it for this video. We'll take little pictures. Yeah, I don't think we have to worry about drunk people tubing.
Yeah, I know. We're the only ones tubing, guys.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I know.
And it was so dirt cheap. And that was the owner guy. Lester was super nice. Tomahawk tube rentals. Dirt cheap and super nice people. I'm going to definitely leave a good review, but I want to say it here as well. Go outside. It's only about, what, 20 minutes outside Branson?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Oh yeah, I better stop recording and start pushing us out. Because look, we're on the...
Just stop recording and help us.
I will. I don't know. Oh, I scared him away. You had a dragon fire in your foot for a little while, bud. Down the river? It's probably from like underneath rocks and whatever. Going down a lazy river in real life.
What do you mean? This is Hurricane Harbor's lazy river in real life.
Alright, well, the real lazy river, not a fake artificial lazy river.
That's the real river.
Well, it's in both are.
Yeah, I know. I was being silly.
It's not like it's in a video game or something.
Yeah, dragonflies, ladybugs, and what was the other one I said? Or the friendliest... Oh yeah, butterflies. See, look, he's just chilling out, hanging on our rope.
I'm glad we did this.
Me too.
I wanted to do this.
Yeah, all summer. Well, the last few summers, actually. Yeah. Don't be nervous. The dude just wants to say hi. Or the girl.
you, Daddy.
I love you too, bud.
Look at that.
I heard it, I didn't see it. I don't see it. The store? I hope I caught it on video because I didn't see it. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of little flies on the surface.
There's a bird right here on the edge taking its butt.
I absolutely do. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see anything.
I have my glasses off, but I can still see it.
Well, you're a lot closer than I am. There's hidey holes. Who knows what? Look at the hidey holes near you. See if there's anything. It's very nice.
Why did you want to get
Because I wanted to grab her shoes so I can put it in this baggy thing, so she can have. She doesn't have to be like the storage bin. It's okay, Shannon. It's a good thing I landed on there.
Only the water can go to a certain spot?
Yeah.
So that's why it's faster.
Yeah, that was fun.
And then also I could tell by how the water looks that it was.
Yeah, right. You could just see the current. Oh, now the water's getting pretty deep. Oh, yeah. It's like a dam. That was. Like put your underneath. Go underneath that and just hold on. Like on the rope. On the rope.
Whee!
You want me to spin you a little too?
No.
Alright.
Whee! Take Daddy out. Bam! Here comes Aaron! Hello, Aaron!
It's not a simple swing. You've got a lot of weight behind you.
Hello.
Because it's fun?
Best $25 we ever spent.
Yeah.
No doubt. I can't believe how cheap it is.
I'm losing my momentum, but I was going pretty good for a while, right? I
Yeah.
almost hit Aaron, I think. I hit you a couple times.
I went swimming. It's actually really nice in there. It's not mucky. It's got a rock
Well, just
bottom.
this part.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll slow down. Let Aaron have fun.
On video.
Well, we're getting a little too far from the home.
Tilt-a-whirl. Woo! On a rope swing in a river in the Ozarks, right?
Yep.
Private tubing session.
It really is. Not an exaggeration. I pay extra for this.
I know. I know, you always see those pictures of people tubing and it's like a bazillion people.
Right, like 15, 20, maybe 30 people all
jam-packed in a river.
Yeah, barging it. Bye! Yeah, yeah, it's a pretty fast current over here. Uh-oh, that's pointy. No! Pop! Whoa, butt up. Oh. I guess we can't make it over there. What? I was gonna say, it looks over there, it's more rapidy a little.
That's fine. Yeah. That's super slow.
Wouldn't that be funny if the river does fork and we're gonna go down like a completely different path?
Yeah.
Well, we'll find out. Adventure is out there. That was funny. You were dragging me for a little while. Oh my gosh! Here, I'll get up and push. I'll stop this recording. We're stopped. All right, we got across that part. We got in the current. This is a fast-moving one. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh no! Okay. I think it looks like it dumps back in over there.
Maybe. We'll find out.
Yes, we will. That was fun.
What?
Don't you think?
What?
Just trying to navigate that? Okay. It was the same river, just forked right there. So that's an island right there. That's kind of neat.
There's a lot of trees that way. I got stuck.
I had to push for a little bit. The rocks were too high. We couldn't. Oh, we have to look at that current right there. We got to get over to it. That was neat. It's flying up ahead. It's going up the river. It's gonna get mad when we catch up to it again. I hope not. I'd hope it'd be more. Oh, I think you're right. At that branch right there, I think we're almost at the end. Yeah, I know. I don't know if I want to do it again, but man, I wish it was longer. 2 miles is not enough.
That didn't feel like 2 hours.
No, it didn't.
Well, we can do it again somewhere else.
Another time, maybe not this trip.
I was saying we could.
Yeah, I didn't. For tubing in Iowa, you have to be pretty far, like, wet towards Dubuque.
Oh, Minnesota. Did you look at Minnesota, Wisconsin?
No, I didn't look at Minnesota, Wisconsin. I was just looking for today and tomorrow. I wasn't looking the whole trip. Yeah. It is very relaxing looking. We're very lucky. Almost to our exit.
Did you take a picture?
In a second, I will. What you do is you take a video and then you just hit the capture button. Wanted to just record the music, but it was cool music here in the bathroom. We just had a good lunch at Brahms. The hamburger is good. Yeah, it's good. And Mommy wants to single-handedly kill the environment, getting 3 plastic spoons out for us to eat this small little thing. We can share a spoon. Good? Yeah, I like it. Well, that explains why It was a shopping cart. We thought it was so weird that there was a shopping cart corral, sorry, outside of a hamburger place. But they also sell groceries, I guess? Yeah, well, I know, but...
grape sherbet!
I know. That
If they didn't have it in the cases, I totally would have gotten 2 scoops.
Right. But that was a good place to eat. Much better idea than eating at Incredible Pizza Company. Oop, I better unlock the car. And I just want to show you, next stop will be the State Fair, probably.
Alright, we're driving through this neighborhood. We're almost to the Missouri State Fair. I can see the Ferris wheel right there.
It's just so weird. It's like smaller than a county fair. But well, as far
It's like
as traffic
it's like the Sandwich County Fair. Unless we're going in some back way. But I still have to go either directions because I have to turn.
Okay. Well, you can stop. I just wanted to hear. I'm still going straight?
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
What is Tweed doing? Go, Tweed, go. Get up.
Oh. This could be the longest video of the day.
What?
This will be the longest video of our vacation right here. Shh. Yay! Victory lap. Oh, not done. But I'm done recording. As you could guess by the last video, we are at Missouri State Fair, finally. It was about, what, a 3-hour drive, I think. It wasn't too terrible. We just saw the dogs, or the one dog at least. Now we're going to explore. Check both ways before crossing. We're getting run over by a tractor. And I am now on the quilt watch.
We tuned this contest down a little bit because we open-ended it last year and it looked a little dangerous at the end. So not only did we improve or unimprove the situation, you got to stop with the ball. Just go up to the ice cream place and get you a big ice cream cone before you try it.
Pretty sure they make up as they go along.
Okay, Carl got a second chance because we didn't get him timed the first time. Okay, we got Mr.
Here's a beautiful building, but they're doing I don't know what they're doing in there. It doesn't look like anything at the moment. Do you want to take a peek inside? All right. We almost saw, what were they handing out ribbons for that we missed?
A tractor basketball.
Yeah, I would have liked to see that. Oh. Here's their butter cow. 20 years of something.
Thank you.
Doesn't say. Maybe the cow's 20 years old? I don't know how long they live. And we're killing some time before the pig races. And
they're going to be snap, snap, slide, slide, bumping into bump and spun, peeling all the way down that front stretch. They're going to hit that turn so fast. They're going to be throwing dirt, dust, shavings, and other things out behind them. I don't you folks get any of those other things on you, because if you do, you'll be doing the barnyard shuffle for about a week. And the faster he's going to scoot around that track. Don't be shy, folks. Make some noise! And gate number 1, Sporting Red Silks, your winner in this race was Arnold Schnauzendhager. Yellow, what happened out there? Do you think your pig might have pulled a hamstring?
just in case you thought we were lying, we're not. We're at the Missouri State Fair. We have to get fried stuff today or tomorrow. So we're doing back-to-back state fairs, I guess. I don't know if that's cool or not, but that's what we're doing. I think. Who knows? We could change our mind. Come, I'm just babbling. We changed our mind. We weren't even supposed to be here today. What's that?
Started the video with Tom.
Did I? Probably. Yeah, that's a pretty good guess. Yeah, it is kind of sad. Yeah.
You hear me?
Say it again.
Do you see how many hens are studying that and how many people are starving? Look at all the hens on there.
Shannon?
That's horrible.
I guess. I hope. Jeez. 100-pound watermelon. That's weird. I won't say anything about those two. And here's what the. What's over here? Staring contest and go. But that is kind of bad. Oh, badass, but also bad. I want to show you this thing. There's fish in the trees. This one, something award winner. I don't see what it were, but check this out. Nicholas is always watching you. At least I think that's who that is. It might not be. Always watching. No, there
are some big pigs.
Yes, they are.
Here's my hand and here's the pig, but
That doesn't help because your hand was closer to the...
I mean, that pig is bigger than me. Let me just put that.
Yeah, he's bigger than me. What? Oh, poor puppies.
This is a turkey. This is a peacock. This is a dog.
Oh. Yeah, there are.
Oh yeah.
They're up for adoption. I'm taking them all. Now this is what I'm talking about. Quilts. I don't know why, but I found my quilts.
And your brownie.
In my, whatever these things are. I'm getting old. I truly actually enjoy looking at these.
This is just making me bored.
First off, that's actually pretty freaking cool. But even better, it's like they get kids involved by go to the cookbook table and show how you can display your product. I think that's really cute. Kids should make something and bring it here, and then other people can look at it and they can come here and see what they've displayed and be proud of themselves. It's pretty awesome, actually.
Exit the building.
I don't know why I'm showing you all this. I'll stop. Well, that's sexist. Figure it's 2019. Men and women should be able to compete together. The junior bacon, fine. I get that. I'm not sexist, but I am ageist. Quilts, beautiful quilts.
They use blue cross. They use blue fabric.
Yeah, Shannon's eyeing the competition.
I like it. Did you see the Halloween one?
I don't think I showed the Halloween one.
I like that one.
Yeah, that one's cool.
Did a guy actually do it? It says Chris, but I guess Chris could be a girl's name too.
Why would it be surprising if a dude... I was just talking earlier about being sexist. Like there's a men's only cooking section.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, I agree. But you just said, oh, a guy did this? You were just showing your own... Yeah, right. I'll thread. That's all I'll do. Oh, these are cute. Alright, we're gonna have fried cookie dough. Aaron's having his fried thing first. And... It's chewy, that's for sure. And it looks edible. Will he go for another bite? Well, second opinion? I'm fine. Still not good? Or is it okay? You heard it, guys and gals. Yum. The greatest carnival on the planet. For what place? I don't know, see what the line is. Oh, for... I don't know. Let's see. They say it's the greatest carnival on the planet. It is pretty cool. It's pretty big, but best? I don't think so. Oh, greatest.
Alright, I think I lucked out. Jason and Aaron are going on the Super Cyclone here at the Missouri State Fair. It looks kind of rough at the end. It breaks pretty bad. But here you go. Here's the coaster. Super Cyclone. Let's see how they feel when they get off this thing. Here they come. There's Aaron. Wait for it, wait for it. Here it comes. Oh, they didn't break on that bad. That's good.
We spent about 3 Oh yeah, I'll show those in a second. There's 2 other balloons over there. We just spent about 3 hours at the Missouri State Fair, and it's better than the Illinois State Fair by quite a bit.
Yeah.
So that was nice. Nice break of the day, instead of just doing the tubing. Aaron and I, as you saw, just went on that scary coaster. I mean, it was on the tame side. The scary part is you don't know if you're gonna blow through the brakes and hit the car in front of you, and we were in the front row, so we would have taken the brunt of it. But all's well that ends well. We're gonna make our way. What?
Nothing.
Oh, we're gonna make our way to the casino. We're gonna
Boonville.
Boonville. Yeah.
Boonville, Missouri.
Maybe
We're not gonna go to the casino. I doubt it.
I thought that's where we're staying.
We are, but I'm not gonna actually go to the casino.
Yeah. I'll wait till you guys are asleep.
Hey, it just looks like it's really nice and clean,
Yeah.
and I'm used to clean.
Yep, there's a couple of hot air balloons floating around.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, off we go. Hopefully we'll hear him blow the...
He just did.
Yeah, he just did, but we didn't hear it.
Here comes the arena. That's cool.
Just like in the commercials.
What commercial?
The Remax commercials.
I don't remember.
Oh, jeez.
I don't think that one's gonna go right above our head.
No, it's not.
Love's cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
We're leaving the Missouri State Fair. This is the actual entrance you're supposed to go on. We were on the back side. But it looks really cool.
Yeah, like Knott's Berry Farm entrance on that corner, except there's not a an old mirror painting for gold. With his donkey. Going down. Ooh. What's the name of this place? Isle of
Capri in
What?
Boonville, Missouri. It's funny because I guess I was listening to some checking before me, but it used to have like a Caribbean theme. They had a parrot in the front that was like an animatronic.
Yeah, there's a sign, Isle Capri Casino, and there's the actual casino. Oh yeah, I know. I'll take another one up closer. I just wanted to show the magnificent overview.
Well, it is kind of funny because the town is like really run down, and then you turn the corner and there's this nice looking building.
Yeah, it's very out of place. Either the city or the casino.
I mean, the city looks like it was really cool back in the day.
Until this came along.
But it's got a really nice Main Street and everything.
Alrighty, we're at 506 at that casino. We already saw the entrance to. And this is our room. It's cozy nice. Let out, it looks just like our last room. And Aaron's already set up. But anyway, let's do a acoustic corner. Well, then what's that light for? That's yeah, that's true. Alright, let's get on out of the bed and we'll talk real quick. Right here. Alright, let's wait for the...
Unfortunately, this place does not have a microwave anywhere.
Yeah.
Really, so I bought popcorn.
Alright. Today is one of the better days of the trip. Well, they've all been good, but...
Yesterday was good too.
Oh yeah,
There's been a lot of good days.
there's been a lot of good days, but today is up there with a really good one. You'll see some of the tubing videos. Sorry if they're all really
Bad quality.
Yeah.
Or maybe Aaron, you didn't do 2 separate videos for this.
No, I think it should all be the same one.
Well, I'm saying.
Or else this video will be like 7 minutes long.
I know, but you can have a clip.
We're not doing it that way. We had a great day, and the state fair was definitely better than Illinois State Fair. Don't you agree?
It wasn't like super better though. It was just like a smidge better.
Yeah. Okay. A lot of driving, but that's not terrible. We're gonna have another.
It could have been worse. You could have driven all the way to Des Moines. That's far.
Yeah, that's true. We broke it up. Well, tomorrow we're gonna be going to. What's the name of it? Marceline?
Marceline.
Marceline.
Walt Disney's hometown.
Yep, and then we're
Where
heading.
he got inspired to make his Main Street.
Yep, and then we're going to Des Plaines to go to the Iowa State Fair. So.
Des Plaines.
Des Moines.
Wait, why is the Iowa State Fair in Illinois?
Yeah, why is it in Des Plaines? We're going home?
No, not anytime soon. All right. See, I'm tired.
Wait, but
What?
the tubing was awesome.
Yeah, the tubing was a lot of fun. What was the name of it again? Tomahawk?
Tomahawk.
Camp
Tomahawk.
Camp Tomahawk 2-mile tube float.
Yeah, it's right about 7-8 miles away from Branson.
No, 2 hour. No, 2 hour, not 2 mile.
Oh, it's 2 mile.
2-mile trip
Oh.
float. Anyway, it's about 25 minutes off from Branson West.
Right, about 8 miles, but it's a windy road. But we absolutely highly recommend it. The people there were super friendly, super nice, family atmosphere. It's, Camp Tomahawk. The campground is okay, but go there for the tubing or the kayaking or the canoeing. They are awesome.
Kayaking?
Mm-hmm. They have kayaking canoes.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is cool. All right, with that plug out of the way, and that was a free plug. We just liked them that much. Yeah, unlike all our paid advertisement, that one was free. All right. Aaron?
If you want to sponsor us, though.
Aaron, press that Nike button.
What?
That's our new spike. Sponsor Nike.
I thought it was Reebok.
Oh, shoot. You'll have to edit that last part. You're right. Reebok that button.